I know most of you are not gonna like this, but the question is, since Umatha has agreed to ukunikela ngengane yakhe, ukunikela ngendodana yakhe, what is Jackson sacrificing? Because now yena umntanakhe usesibelethweni sakhe, all the pains and whatever comes from her womb. What is Jackson sacrificing? So he's just coming to get the glory afterwards. He's coming to enjoy ubumnandi nobukhazikhazi that is going to be established out of this whole entire dini. Because if you look at it physically, Jackson does not get any pains. Jackson, he's just standing there for moral support, and then bese yena uyavuna. Ganjani? How, like, I'm actually posing these questions to you to say, what is he sacrificing? I understand Guti, the seed is his, but physically, what is he sacrificing? The person that's going to get going to feel the pain is Martha. Martha is going to feel the pain emotionally, physically, and otherwise. And Jackson is going to feel the pain how? Nothing. And then they had to share the glory together. I got Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, you're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Ndima Dekwana, Sanbonan, Abshen, Molwen, Minjani. Hipukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nona kwa hina was Smoke and Mirrors hikuma koroslo samsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Utim no Tiny were found with their pants down. Remember previously Umfundisi as the supervisor, he said to them that whatever that you do in these premises, just remember that this is a workplace and we do not want amanyala. But today amanyala was found while they were kissing during working hours. And I think they just cannot keep their hands together or their hands to themselves, and this is going to disrupt the work environment, and which one of them might probably be suspended or dismissed. And that could be a problem because when Mfundisi walks in, he asked what were they doing, and then they jumped off the table and said they were discussing work, which is not true. This is what happens with the fling and more. And the most boring part is that Mfundisi did speak to a team and said, listen, you are not divorced as yet, you're just separated and still in the process, but that makes you a cheater if you're going to be sleeping with somebody else without you fully being divorced. So that means in this whole equation, even if you're separated, you're still married by law. Now obviously that is not something that they're considering to actually, they're not even think abayicabangi nokuyicabanga leyo bona, they just want to be on each other's chest and that's it. But again, anyway, on the other hand, abahlala emkhukhwini, uMartha decided to go and ask for kore na botsisa maele ko Auswaha, and Auswaha molele gore ntho a nyako go ira. It was not really a good decision, but at the end of the day, she then decided to go ahead with the decision. So what we don't know is, will she make it out? Because at some point, Nguka was called to come and be given the decision, and then he was then told, you know what, we are going to hold hands and do this. The question now is, uzokwazi yini uMartha ukumelana nesimo? Well, speaking of isimo, there's things dilo di change. Ngicela nithi hore dilo di chintshitse. UPetunia uMrs Khansela, uMrs Mayor. UMrs Mayor lana unomngani wakhe manje, the new friend uRosemary. Rosemary is a friend that we have not seen on screen, but we've heard of her quite a number of times, and it looks like she's establishing a new friendship with the people in high places. Hey, I'm not just saying she's establishing that. I'm saying she even changed her wardrobe to fit the caliber of Rosemary. Now, today she was called to come and be introduced to other ladies that are in the same caliber with her, and she looked to be so excited. She said that Rosemary was very kind, calm, and she's a down-to-earth person. She does not have like a high standard, high fashion, whatever. But yena, she saw the need with achinche wardrobe wake wonk. Now she's talking about how Rosemary's house looks beautiful. I foresee husband running into danger, because lo wesifazane lo unabuhobeleli hakho kunoditangana unabuhobeleli, and that will be a big problem for them, because she would want all the high expensive nice life, and that which is the husband does not want to do that. The husband says yena he does not want ukuthi ubukhazikhazi lobu obuzo like abo show off, so that people can see who he is, how he is doing things. Atiena, he does not like that. He actually wants to have a normal life like every other person and be on the ground, so that he's able to assist abantu. Opportunity kuphila. Mina, I need to change my wardrobe, new look, new everything, because nginkosikazi kaMeya. My worry is, now that Unuka is now part of this, and then these people, Basiba and Zidin, does this mean Mr. Mayor is going to change and Mr. Mayor is going to get back his chair? Oh yes, I'm worried. I am so super worried that if that is the problem, if that is the situation, it means that Gena Mrs. Mayor, the new Mrs. Mayor's life was short-lived, because if they have to remove him from the mayor's chair, it means he's going back to the coal collector. We kwakubi-ke. Anywho, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to give this video a very big thumbs up and your comments. I really love hearing from you. And just a disclaimer, on this channel we do not post full episodes, but what we do, we review an entire episode of the day or of the previous day. So please do not come to the comment section and ask me, we want a full episode, you are wasting our time, you are wasting. No, please, it's a full episode review.